In today's lesson, we'll practice a natural situation, meeting with a friend in Albania. Let's get started. When you meet a friend, you usually greet them warmly. Ç'kemi, si je? Mirë, faleminderit. Po ti? Edhe unë mirë. Sa kohë pa u parë. Po pra, më bëhet qefi që të shoh. Gjithashtu. Ç'kemi, si je? Hello, how are you? Mirë, faleminderit. Po ti? Good, thank you. And you? Edhe unë mirë. I'm good too. Sa kohë pa u parë. Long time no see. Po pra, indeed. Më bëhet qefi që të shoh. I'm glad to see you. Gjithashtu. Me too. After greetings, friends ask about what they've been up to and what has happened all this time that they haven't seen each other. A very Albanian expression is po hë, meaning so. It's not a literal translation. It's po hë means like so, like let me know, tell me what has happened and so and so. Po hë, si ke qenë? Çfarë ke bër? Asgjë e re, me thënë të drejtën. E njëjta rutinë e përditshme. Vazhdon akoma te puna ku ke qenë, apo jo? Po, atje. Kemi pasur shumë punë kohët e fundit. Po mirë, avash. Shqyr që ke punë, se pa punë nuk rihet. This is a very Albanian conversation, okay? Po hë, si ke qenë? Çfarë ke bër? So, how have you been? What have you been up to? Asgjë e re, me thënë të drejtën. Nothing new, to be honest. E njëjta rutinë e përditshme. Same daily routine. Vazhdon akoma te puna ku ke qenë, apo jo? You still work at the job where you were before, right? Po, atje. Yeah, there. Kemi pasur shumë punë kohët e fundit. We've had a lot of work lately. Po mirë, avash. Shqyr që ke punë, se pa punë nuk rihet. This is a very common Albanian saying, okay? Well, take it easy. Thank God you have work, because literally without work cannot be stayed, or one cannot stay without work, because it is essential. So moving on, until now we have encountered these two friends talking together when they have run into each other on the street or something like that. And so they continue, ti vazhdon me shkollën? Po, këtë vit mbyll masterin, më në fund. Shumë mirë, të uroj shumë suksese. Shumë faleminderit. Nëse ke kohë, ulemi dhe pim një kafe. Sigurisht, kam shumë për të treguar. Ti vazhdon me shkollën? And you continue with your school? Po, këtë vit mbyll masterin, më në fund. Yes, this year I conclude the masters. Finally. Shumë mirë, very well. Të uroj shumë suksese. I wish you the best, or literally, I wish you a lot of success. Shumë faleminderit. Thanks a lot. Nëse ke kohë, ulemi dhe pim një kafe. If you have time, let's sit and have a coffee. At this point, the friend is asking to move from the street to the nearby cafe. There's always a cafe nearby. Sigurisht, of course. Kam shumë për të treguar. I have a lot to tell you. Finally, the two friends have finished their coffee and they're about to leave, and so they will say goodbye to each other. Let's see how you do that. Më vjen mirë që u takuam sot. Edhe mua. Shpresoj të shihemi prapë së shpejti. Po, patjetër. Do mbetemi në kontakt. Mirë atëherë, mirupafshim dhe kalofsh mirë. Faleminderit edhe ti. Mirupafshim. Më vjen mirë që u takuam sot. I'm glad we met today. Edhe mua. Me too. Shpresoj të shihemi prapë së shpejti. I hope we can see each other again soon. Po, patjetër. Yes, of course. Do mbetemi në kontakt. We will keep in touch. We'll remain in contact, literally. Mirë atëherë. Well then. Mirupafshim dhe kalofsh mirë. Goodbye and have a nice time. Faleminderit. Edhe ti. Thanks, you too. Mirupafshim. Goodbye. Here's a vocabulary list from today's conversation for you to glance, and you can pause the video and take notes if necessary. And that's how you meet and talk with a friend in Albanian. Today you learned greetings, small talk, making plans, and saying goodbye. Practice these phrases and you'll sound more natural when meeting Albanian friends. If you're serious about becoming fluent in Albanian, send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. And I will see you in the next video.